Medical science has proven it that the heart is actually a machine that pumps blood into every part of our body. But then, why is it that more often than not, man finds himself in trouble over heart? Well, actually, every heartbeat counts, for that's what keeps you alive. But then, in today's aggressive go-getting world, the heart too has to combat many an enemy, such as stress, both mental and physical. Our heart also has to work overtime in pumping heavy cholesterol-laden blood, a result of our overindulgences. As a result of all this heavy-duty work, our heart too gets tired, the machine goes blink, and because of that, we find ourselves prone to heart diseases. So what can we do to keep our dear, priceless heart fit and fine? Come, for a heartbeat of a second, let's stop and see what Ayurveda has to offer to our heart.
Namaskar. Welcome to Eternal Health. The topic of this lecture is Ayurveda and heart care. Heart is a very prominent organ of our body, and heart disease is the number one killer disease in the world. In America, it is said that every 20 seconds there is a heart attack. I was reading some figures of heart disease in America, and it was mentioned that every 34 seconds there is one death due to heart attack. And America is the country where healthcare system is most expensive. Means a lot of money is spent on healthcare in America. Billions of dollars are spent. So this is not the figures only in USA and UK. I'm just mentioning because these are the most developed countries in the world. But you take the scenario in any other country, even in India, even in Africa, Australia, anywhere, heart disease is the number one killer disease. I was also reading some studies that was done that bypass surgery, which is considered to be one of the main treatments for the heart disease in the modern world, has to be redone either in 5 years or sometimes in 6 years or 10 years. That means that we are somewhere missing the root cause of the problem. Of course, when the artery is blocked, we can bypass it, we can cut it and put it in the next place where there is no blockage. But after 5 years, after 7 years or sometime 10 years, there is another blockage. This very clearly indicates that we have not taken care of the root cause. The root cause is still present in the body, and after some time it again blocks the arteries of the heart. So again bypass surgery. So coming now to the cause of heart disease. What does Ayurveda says? In Ayurveda we always say that the diseases are caused either through physical system or through the mind. In heart disease in particular, we have seen that the heart disease can be caused physically as well as mentally. At the physical level, we have three doshas: vata, pitta and kapha. These are the three basic energies in the body which, if they remain in a particular ratio, in a particular balance, then person is healthy. If this ratio is imbalanced, then there is a disease. In case of heart disease, all the three doshas are involved, because all the three doshas, vata, pitta and kapha, they are involved in the functioning of the heart. Vata, for example, is responsible for the heartbeat and the circulation of the blood, because vata is defined as the moving force. Pitta is the enzymes in the heart. There are some enzymes which actually are responsible for the normal functioning of the heart. Pitta is also responsible for emotions. Kapha is responsible for stability and also giving strength to the heart. So like this, vata, pitta, kapha, all three are responsible for the functioning of the heart. In Ayurveda, they also mention 8 factors which are responsible for supporting the functions of the heart. Any one of these factors, if defective, can cause or lead to a heart disease. What are these 8 factors? I don't want to go into the details, but I'll quickly name all 8 of them. Obesity is also a cause of heart disease. Taking too much sex hormones or contraceptive pills is also a cause for heart disease. And of course, mental stress. How can we forget? Mental stress or some kind of grief can also lead to heart disease. All these various causes can lead to various kind of symptoms and various kind of heart diseases. According to Ayurveda, we have different types of heart diseases also, like vata heart disease, pitta heart disease. Heart is a very big topic in Ayurveda. Especially, I have developed a special package for heart patients which actually takes care of a number of things. And I have been very successful in dealing with so many heart patients all over the world. It has been proved by scientific trial that even meditation can reverse the blockage of the artery. The hardening of the artery, which is caused by mental stress, can be reversed by meditation. I'm not going to talk about treatments here because treatment in Ayurveda is always personalized. That is why for heart, when people come to my Ionic clinic, we make Ionic packages for them. In Ayurveda, still the treatment has to start from diet and lifestyle. The medicines or the herbs is the third stage. So you must make sure you do not eat food which can cause ama. So if you want to deal with your heart disease, first thing is come back to sattvic diet, fresh, natural, organic, vegetarian diet. Do not forget that you have to take care of your mind, some kind of meditation, some kind of breathing exercise, and always spiritual lifestyle is very important. Spiritual lifestyle means that you have to feed your soul, live a life which is full of love, affection, and you do not have to do any cheating or exploiting or all those negative deeds. You have to be positive and always living in harmony, harmony within your body, harmony within your family, harmony within the society, and harmony with the nature. This is how you can actually prevent heart disease, and you can even reverse even the most difficult heart disease. It is not just my saying. I have practically done thousands of cases and I have got a lot of success. So just try to use Ayurvedic principles in your life and have a beautiful, healthy and happy heart. Thank you very much. Namaskar.